is so cool. Lava.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making a glow-in-the-dark lava lamp. So, stay tuned. The first step is to fill the vase halfway with tonic water. The next step is to fill it halfway with vegetable oil now. Oh, you see how it's floating on top of the tonic water? Wow, it's like magic. It's floating on top of the tonic water because water and vegetable oil don't mix. Now I'm going to put 5 drops of blue food coloring. I decided to put 5 more drops in there. Now we're going to mix it. Now we're going to go to the dark room.
Okay, we're in a dark room, and you see that it's glowing. We have our black light glowing on it. Now Corbin is going to put 2 tablets of Alka Seltzer in the vase, and we'll see what happens. That is so cool. Lava. It's going up and falling back down.
See you in the next video. Bye.